Hello, welcome to the part 4 of Metashape tutorial. Today we are going to develop the digital elevation model, the orthomosaic, and we are going to export them. Before starting, we have to identify the right projection of our location. There are several ways to identify the projection. The easiest way is through QuantumGIS and the plugin called lat-long tools. With this plugin, you just have to display your area of interest. Here, for example, we have the size of Nyamusashi 2. That's the flight plan. And once you have installed this plugin, you will get this icon here. Just click on that. Choose this capture coordinate. Click somewhere on your area of interest, and here you will have all the information that you require. We want to work in UTM metric coordinate, and here you can see it is UTM 36 north, or even easier, the projection that you have to choose is the projection 32636. Write down this number somewhere. Fine. I can close now QuantumGIS. Here we are. We have our Agisoft Metashape. We have our images. We have the tight point cloud. We have the 3D model, 1000 faces, and we have the point cloud, 56 million point. The next step will be to make the orthomosaic. I go to workflow, build orthomosaic. You see here you have per default the geographic coordinate, but we want the metric coordinates, and we have seen previously in QuantumGIS where exactly is our site and what kind of metric UTM coordinate we can have. You click here. If you don't have it here already, you go to more and you type the number that you have identified previously in QuantumGIS, 32636. Here you have your coordinate. Parameters. It asks you from where you want to base your orthomosaic, and we base it on our model. Blending mode mosaic. Enable all filling, and here the pixel size is automatically proposed by the software. The rest you keep it like it is and you click OK. This process might take a long time. It took around 40 minutes to make the orthomosaic. We have it here. It is a huge picture with the resolution of 5.06 centimeter per pixel. Now, before exporting it, we do the digital elevation model. At this point, we can do the digital elevation model. Same process. We go to workflow, build DEM, and here we have to choose the same projection, 36 north. Here you can choose the source data. We have the model and we have the point cloud. Since we have already cleaned our point cloud, we can take the point cloud. You remember, at the point cloud we have only ground point, and the rest we keep it. If you did not delete all except the ground point, you can select the points that you want to use for the digital elevation model. In that case, we have only the ground, therefore we don't have to select anything, it's already there. Okay, this process should take a shorter time. Okay, the DEM is done. It took more or less 6 minutes, but now I would like to rebuild another digital elevation model based on the model. This is important to see the difference, and after it's up to you to decide which DEM it suits better for your project. I go again to workflow, again build DEM. I choose again the right projection, and this time my source data will not be the point cloud but the model, and the rest I keep it like that, and I go. This takes a shorter time. Here we are. It took me about 5 minutes to finish this DEM. We have more or less the same resolution. We can save the project, and at this point we can export the orthomosaic. Just go on File, Export, Export Orthomosaic. You save it. The projection is correct. The rest you can keep it like it is. This process shouldn't take a very long time. Fine. Now we export the DEM. Be careful, we have two DEM. I choose the first one, that one done with the point cloud. Right click and export DEM, and I call it DEM point cloud. It's a geotiff. This projection is correct. The rest we keep it like it is. This process should be rather quick. Fine, and now we export the other DEM. Right click, export DEM. We call it DEM model. Projection is correct. Okay. Voila, this is done. Took 1 minute. If you want, you could export the point cloud. This is up to you. We don't do it. We save it, and now we are finished with Agisoft Metashape. Let's go to the next step and visualize the result. In part 5, we are going to display the result to compare the quality, and meanwhile I wish you happy holidays. Ho 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 ho!